Is copy trading profitable? That is the question that I'm asked so many times over and over in our Discord channel. And in this video, I'm gonna give you the straight facts. I had my tech genius do something a little bit sneaky. I had him scrape all of the active copy trading wallets from Odinbot and Trade Wiz over the last 30 days. And in this video, I'm gonna run the numbers live in our bulk wallet analysis tool. So you can see straight up, without speculation, what percentage of copy traders over the last 30 days have been in profit and how many have lost money. Now, I already know that copy trading is profitable. Our users are showing real profit over long periods of time. My latest wallet that I just started yesterday already has a 92% win rate. So I know that copy trading is profitable, but I also know that most people lose money when they come into copy trading. There's a lot of misinformation out there and bad advice, and people can come in and think they can just copy any profitable wallet and make money, and they end up losing it all in seconds, which is why most believe that it can't be done. But the numbers don't lie, and in this video, we'll find out what they truly are. I'm excited to see the results myself, so if you're ready to lock in and see if copy trading is actually profitable, then smash that like button and let's get started. All right, everyone, welcome to this video. Today, we're gonna find out if copy trading meme coins is actually profitable. Now, like in the intro, I told you, I already know that it is. But the reality is that most copy traders are in fact losing money because they're simply doing the wrong stuff. At copytrader.com with 2 R's, we're not only sharing profitable wallets every single day and the best tools to find, simulate trading, and analyze those wallets. We're helping teach people with ebooks and courses how to properly copy trade. We're all talking in the chat every day, sharing advice, sharing ideas, and growing together. But I was really interested in the raw numbers. How many people are actually making money copy trading? Now, I know one thing that happens in these copy trading groups is that there's a lot of negative bias because most of the people in this group or any copy trading group, they are new and they are trying to learn. And all the people that I know who are really elite traders with their own nodes, they're spending thousands of dollars a day and they're making up to 20 grand a month. They're not hanging out in Discord channels asking people how to succeed in copy trading because they are already doing it. So in many of these groups, it can seem like everyone is kind of going through the same thing. While there are people, many people in this group who are making money, sharing those wins and sharing advice, the really elite people, they really don't hang out in these groups. So I was really interested in what are the real numbers, how many people are actually making money in copy trading so that everyone can see that and gather motivation from that. And then after that, I can show you exactly how you can get on the track to being one of these people who make money in copy trading. Because if one person can do it, then everyone can do it. The only difference is what are you doing? What is your strategy? Now, if you're new here, if you're new to copy trading, I'm not talking about copy trading like you see on Bybit or like you see on Binance, where you give someone else money, they trade for you, and you just take a small percentage of the gains. I'm not into that at all. I'm talking about copy trading on the Solana network, on the BNB network, where there's meme coins dropping every single minute. There's thousands of profitable wallets, profitable traders. We're dropping over 100 every single day. And these are real people with real trades making $900 a month, this one making $2,800 a month. And you can use a copy trading bot. I'll link to all the best ones in the description below. And within minutes, you could be copying all of their trades. When they buy, you buy. When they sell, you sell. You can make as much money as you want. You don't have to share it with anyone. This is the kind of copy trading that we do here. It's very fun, and people who do this kind of copy trading, they come to us all the time and they're like, wow, this is so much better. There's so much more potential and it's so much more fun. But it's only fun if you're doing it with money that you can't afford to lose. So of course, nothing in this video is financial advice, and never trade with funds that you cannot afford to lose. So like I said, I wanted to know how many copy traders are really making money. How profitable is the market? How profitable is the industry? And hopefully these results can give you inspiration if you're not making money yet to know that you can get there. And if you want to get there, join our Discord or go to copytrader.com with 2 R's/secrets to get my ebook, which is dropping soon, which will teach you step by step everything you need to know about copy trading, how to do it, what strategies work, what strategies don't, and we'll give you step-by-step workflows for every single one. But for now, let's just see the numbers. So I had my friend who's a real tech genius work his magic, and however he did it, figure out a way to get all the active copy trading bot wallets over the last month. There are a lot of wallets here to go through, a lot of traders, a lot of people copy trading. I've got the Odinbot wallets, the Trade Wiz wallets, and the Debbot X wallets. These are all copy trading bots. This one does other things, but these two are predominantly copy trading. I just want to say that I got these wallets for educational purposes only, for this video only. And while I'm letting you see the full lists, and I know that they are the legit lists because I found my own wallets in there, I will not share the addresses of the profitable wallets because these copy traders have worked hard to be making money. And if thousands of people get a hold of their wallet because of this video, it could mess up what they have built. Now, all of these wallets will naturally show up in the wallet drops from time to time because these are just random drops of profitable wallets. You won't know that they are copy traders, but they will be there. But I just wanted to say that I'm not going to disclose the actual addresses of these profitable copy traders because I don't want to mess up the successful copy trading that they have built. And I appreciate you respecting that. Okay, so in the last week for our Odinbot, we've got 438 active wallets, Trade Wiz 1,437 active wallets, and Debbot 831 active wallets. What I'm going to do is I'm going to run them all through the bulk wallet analyzer. I'll come in here, I'll start with Odin, copy all the wallets, I'll come paste them in and click analyze. This will take 2 to 3 minutes now to run and analyze every single wallet. And once it's done, I will show you the results. Okay, so now that's done, and it actually came out to 414 total wallets because there were some duplicates in there. And what I did was I filtered the total ROI to be greater than 2%. So it's going to eliminate any wallets which had less than a 2% ROI. And the result is 414 total wallets, and 123 of those wallets were profitable. So all of these wallets down here are all profitable Odinbot wallets, real people who are copy trading. It's really, really cool. If we look at the top, we have someone here making 257%, although only one trade. This trader here is making a nice 91% ROI with 10 trades. That's great. We can come down, we can take a look at some of them, check them out on gmgn.ai. So this trader here has made $750 in the last week as a copy trader. That's fantastic. You can come through, look at all the trades. This is an absolute real trader holding for a long time. It's really fantastic to see results like this. So we come back here and we run the numbers. We got 123 wallets out of 414 that were profitable. And that gives us a 29.71, about a 30% rate of profitable traders. And those numbers are incredible, actually, considering most copy traders really don't know what they're doing. I guarantee 50% of the wallets are just people who lost 20 bucks and then gave up. The other ones are probably trying to copy the KOLs or the fast traders. So to be in that 30% is easy. It's honestly easy. There's just certain things that you need to do and certain things that you need to avoid. And if you join our Discord and you join copytraderr.com, you can easily learn all of the strategies that work and see the step-by-step workflows for executing them. So that's really awesome. I'm really, really surprised and very pleased with those results because I was doing this in real time with you as I made the video. And it's just, those are fantastic numbers, which are honestly higher than I thought they would be. So very, very cool. Now I ran the Trade Wiz wallets through 3 different bulk analyzers since it was 1,437. So now I'm going to filter the results by total ROI to be at least 2% profitable. And okay, that's actually really good. We're seeing good results already with Trade Wiz. A lot of wallets that are profitable on Trade Wiz. So we've got about the same ratio. It seems we've got 164 out of 500 with at least a 2% ROI out of the first group. We've got 156 out of the second group, and we've got 133 out of the last group. So that's 453 wallets that are profitable out of 1,437 Trade Wiz wallets, which is a very impressive 31% profitability on Trade Wiz. That's actually really, really impressive. I'm going to filter this first group by total ROI. We're going to see some traders are really doing fantastically on Trade Wiz. This trader has made $2,600 in the last 7 days. The wallet was funded by Bybit. Definitely a human trader, trading with a small amount of money. So honestly, super impressive. And last but not least, we have Debbot X, which was about 831. So out of the first 500, we had 188 profitable wallets. And out of the second 331, we had 107 profitable wallets. So that is about 295 profitable wallets out of $831, which is a stunning 35% of wallets being profitable. Really, really fantastic. Let's take a look at one of them here. This wallet only making $34 in the last 7 days, buying with extremely small amounts of money, but profit is profit. So that is very, very interesting. These numbers are actually higher than I thought they would be. So there you have it, everyone. 30%. That's a great number. And I fully believe that anyone who tries copy trading can be profitable. I 100% believe that we can get that number to 100% in our community. And that is the goal. The 70% of people who are losing money copy trading are just doing the wrong things. But we're building a system here at Copy Traderr where we take you step by step through the entire process. I teach you everything you need to know. I show you the 6 ways that you can make money in copy trading, and I show you the exact workflows from start to finish for every single strategy. So you can choose which one is right for you. You can learn how to execute it. You can learn how to find the right wallets for that strategy, and then you can execute and win. You can make money passively. And if you get really good, you can make a lot. It's 100% doable for every single one of you watching here right now. There's no reason why someone else can do it and you can't. So that's my goal, to help as many people as I can do that. So if you're interested in getting started, join our Discord. The link is in the description below. Go to copytraderr.com with 2 R's, get my free ebook, or sign up to get it when it's released. If you're watching this, it may be done already. Go to copytraderr.com/secrets. And when you're ready, subscribe to the platform and join, commit, and start learning, start winning. Copy Traderr is 100% an investment. It will help you make so much more money copy trading than you would have. It will protect your capital, prevent you from losing money with traders that you never had a chance with. And we're currently building all of the workflows inside of the member dashboard. Those will be coming out very, very soon from start to finish for each strategy. We're changing copy trading forever. We've already done it. We've implemented strategies that were never before possible, and we'll continue to raise the bar. So thank you so much for watching this video. Whether or not you join us or not, get our free ebook so you don't make silly mistakes and lose money. And please join us in the Discord. Come say what's, ask whatever questions you have. We will all be happy to help you. If you like this video, smash a like, and I'll see you next time.